Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a beautiful wig to install. I'm going to show you it styled two ways. This is the second look. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's welcome back today's hair sponsor, WorldNewHair. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x4. I believe this is an HD transparent lace. This is in the water wave texture. This is the big body frontal, so it has the same parting space all throughout. This is what she's looking like without the lace tint. We are gonna put some lace tint on her. I wouldn't say like I would wear it glueless personally. So I adjusted the strap in the back and the nape area, and that definitely helped. Now I'm just going to push it back. I'm going to be using the Cancel brand spray only because it works well. And here in Canada, good hair products are definitely not as easy to come by. Today I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to do the center and then I'm going to secure the side. So this is my main focus right now. And one more coat. You can do over or under. To save some time, I'm gonna do this side and then come back.
This tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the why. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left?
This wig comes pre-plucked and it also has a glueless strap, so you can wear her glueless, but you do have the option of securing her or leaving her glueless. I'm going to show you guys the wig obviously in this style so you can really see the parting space on this unit. Out of the box, the wig is beautiful, but I did notice that the knots were not bleached, so I went ahead and bleached the knots, and I'm so glad that I did because the hairline claims to be pre-plucked, but you know, a lot of wigs right now are coming extremely pre-plucked, whereas it looks like a super natural hairline, where this is more of like a wig pre-pluck, like a standard factory like pre-pluck. And I also plucked some hairs out of the hairline too, so I would definitely recommend plucking this wig and also bleaching the knot. This is more of like a tighter water wave, so this is what the ends look like. I would say the ends are a little bit thinner than the top. Before we go, we're gonna style her in like a traditional style so you guys can see what that looks like also. Just realized Miko is down there and I was spraying my water bottle. I don't want him to get wet. I'm gonna try to see if I can style this with the existing part. No, I need a middle part. I tried, yo. I'm trying to do something different. What I'm going to do is come back when it's fully dried and then show you guys what it looks like this, because it's cute. Let me know what you guys think. If you'd like to try this wig at home, I'm gonna link it in the description box. If there's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.